Hi, I'm here to talk to you today about a recent study done by the Pediatric Trials Network. PTN is a group of more than 100 research sites around the world that are working to find the safest and most effective ways to use medicines and devices in infants and children. Children aren't just little adults, their bodies are growing and changing, meaning that they process medicines and react to devices differently than adults do. The PTN works to make sure doctors and families have the information they need to give children the best care. This particular study considered a drug called metronidazole. It's an antibiotic that is used when treating infants with complicated intra-abdominal infections. However, the medicine is not approved for use in infants by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or the FDA. Additionally, concerns have been raised about how metronidazole interacts with other medicines that may be used in treatment of these complex intra-abdominal infections. This study was needed to learn more about the safest and most effective dosage of metronidazole for treating CIAIs in infants. The study was done on a group of 55 infants, all born at 34 weeks gestation or later, and given metronidazole to treat these complex intra-abdominal infections. The data I'm talking about today comes from the Antibiotic Safety in Infants with Complicated Intra-Abdominal Infections, or SCAMP, trial. SCAMP tested several antibiotics for safety and effectiveness in treating CIAIs in infants. During the study, metronidazole was given to infants at dosages based upon their age. Other treatments, including additional antibiotics, were also used according to how the study site would normally treat complex intra-abdominal infections. Safety of metronidazole was measured by reporting of negative effects. Only one negative side effect, a rash caused by yeast, was possibly associated with metronidazole. 53 out of the 55 total infants in the study were treated successfully. Therefore, researchers determined that antibiotic treatment, including metronidazole, was safe in this group of infants. The results of this study were sent to the FDA, and the findings were used to change this medicine's label, or the printed information that is included along with the drug. The findings were also published in scientific journals. Both the label and publications can provide doctors with information to help them give the safest, most effective dose of this medicine to children. Larger studies are still needed, though, to learn the safest and most effective dosage of metronidazole for all newborns and infants with complex intra-abdominal infections. If you'd like to learn more, a summary of the results for this trial can be found at pediatrictrials.org.